जैसा कि आप लोग ने देखा कि WWE Roundup Former Championship quietly announces that retirement of the age of 44. New name of Randy Orton. Sheamus was reaches huge milestone. Welcome back to another exciting edition of our daily series WWE News Roundup, where we aim to cover all the major stories making the rounds in the world of the pro wrestling judgment. In today's article, we will look at the topic of Sheamus and Randy Orton among the others. Also, in one of the biggest news stories of the weekend, a former champion has quietly announced his retirement from in ring action. So, without any further delay, let's check it out. Rare Replay is set to open the WWE, which overcome the number of games at the Night of Champion to defeat the Raquel Rogers at the street fight. Mami is expected to be involved in a major program at the Evolution 2, and the build up for the same could start tonight Raw, which as act as Adam Pearce will be opened at the editor. While it is not confirmed what is next for Rear Replay, there are speculations that she could once again go after the Women's World Championship and call out Io Sky and Red Brand. Randy Orton get a new name in WWE. Randy Orton come up a short in the King of the Ring tournament where he lost a major of varieties. In this season, we are going to announce many of the champions' name regarding the Michael Cole after the referred of WWE World Champion as Cerebral Orton for his in the ring. Gratified during the match against the American Nightmare, where the expose of turnbuckle to his use and its advantages. However, things did not go in Orton's favor as Rhodes used to expose the turnbuckle to pick up the win. Sheamus reaches a huge milestone in WWE, but prominent superstar on the WWE roster, the Celtic Warrior has been a dependable name for the company for the best last several years. He was now reached a huge milestone as he has reached the journey of speculations and many advantages. Champion has now completed 16 years with the Global Sport Tournament Judgment. Former WWE champion announces the focus of Superstar at Night champion commentator Wade Brett quietly, who announced the had retired from ring competitions. Brett was commentary and Tiffany Stratton also joined the backstage. Hmm? Brett was on the Intercontinental Champion, who was matches like that make the guys feel so happy to be retired and watch from the relative safety of this booth. Barrett said Wade Brett has not donned his wrestling boots since 2016. He has been a part of company commentary team for the last 5 years ago. However, as everyone knows, after the competition of the Samoa Joe, it would be a certified. However, as everyone know about, never say never in the pro wrestling businesses. It is now ever and Dream Roman Reigns match in WWE. John Cena turned babyface after Cody Rhodes formed alliance with WWE Attitude after the age of 17. Roman Reigns return update why Tribal Chief is absent from WWE. It has been months since we last saw Roman Reigns on WWE television, leaving fans so wonder what the future hold for the tribal chief. His final appearance comes just after WrestleMania 41 when he was attacked in surprise post show attacked by Seth Rollins, Paul Heyman and Braun Breaker. After that range has vanished that it has people wondering if he is permanently out of he is gearing up for a WWE according to the source of backstage. The absence is being planned as just and that excitement of the WWE for his anticipated return to this summer. Roman Reigns is expected to return at the SummerSlam 2025 ahead of WWE biggest summer show of SummerSlam taking place of MetLife Stadium on August 2, 3. There appear to be anticipated return at the event of itself. According to behind the scene talk of WWE, the company has been slowly setting the stage for his return by preparing promotional material to his return policy and merchandise, focusing on the tribal chief. He gets brought up in lot of production meeting, usually a broad signal that a huge on the stars is on the way of back. WWE is reportedly highly demanding matches occurring in 2025 and 24 after the matches of return of Roman Reigns may speak Over the few feuds, perhaps the clearest direction would seems to be faced by Seth Rollins and Paul Heyman. After the match of the ring, it could be clear direction. Hmm?